boma Eldoret bago ng'anyo kinyi makawuono mar kwedo telo marach ma ka thieth no magikoni Ramogi yudo ratichgi. E ng'anyono mokelo kanyakla Jochiw thieth ma ka thieth no giyango ni ing'ado gi osara mowinjo dhi kuma mar thieth helb kod ng'eto mamoko kata kamano ok chul gikoni gitiyo maonge kuma mar thieth kendo kata osara ma imiyo gitin e kinde magitiyo kaka owinjore kendo mokalo seche mag tich gidwaro mondo mi omany kaka inyalo konygi.
We do not have good working hours. We have been coerced to work for long working hours without a commensurate increment in the pay.
Come to issue to do with payment, you find that Indians are paid more salary than Africans. You may find an issue like I will give an example. I'll give an example. Someone here who is in charge of cleaning services is being paid more money than a medical superintendent.
Deductions are done promptly while remittance is not done. All these staffs here, all their SHA are not active. And when we fall sick, bearing in mind the nature of work we do, the director, Mr. Mayank, tells us to go to MTRH or Bliss. MTRH, it dumps us at MTRH. When you reach MTRH without SHA, will you be helped?
For us, all we are asking, actually the whole point of this gathering, the administration has completely refused to listen. They have intimidated us into silence and everything. All we want is an audience with the hospital administration and also for HQ to know this is what is going on the ground.